Tomorrow for school, you have to do the silent bucket, and you have to name everything that's in that bucket.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. What's that?
I don't know it.
You do. You can do it. Wood.
What?
Wood.
Wood.
Okay. What's that?
Whale.
What's that?
Oh, is that my water?
Yes. That's water.
Water? That's my water.
Yep.
I just want to drink it.
What else do you have?
Oopsie. Watch. Wheel.
Show everybody. Show the picture. Show the wheel. What's that?
A wheel.
Okay. What do you?
A water.
Mm-hmm.
Can I drink it, Mommy?
Later. Okay. You gotta bring it for school tomorrow.
Okay.
Next one.
What?
Show the camera.
Whale.
Whale. And no, I know. Not that doesn't count. What's that? What? What's that?